Okay, cool.
It's almost like it's. Not, I mean, we just made this account. We can make another one.
You know the vibes.
All right. We got the Gayonetta coming up.
That is pretty gay.
Shouts out. This is homosexuality versus homophobia matchup.
Luigi is not homophobic.
Luigi is.
Luigi's homophobic, but he's also bisexual.
Luigi goes, hey, Mario, why do they get a month? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Hang on. No. That's not accurate.
Mario, why do they get a month? why do they get a month, Mario? Oh, that's not very progressive, Luigi.
Listen, all I'm saying is Wario and Mario have the trans rights all. Luigi does not.
This is true. I think Wario's an ally, but only because he's okay. Devin needs to grow up. I think Wario's an ally, but only because he's also a chaser.
No, Wario doesn't care about Luigi. He likes money. That's like his whole thing.
This is true. Waluigi, I've been browsing the r/incel subreddit. Oh, hold up. Funny matchup alert.
Oh?
I want to see this guy shot dead.
I think so. Devin or Rob?
Both of them.
Cool.
If Devin and Rob both cease to be, I would be perfectly fine with that. Up we go. Is he dead? Yep.
Absolutely fucking.
The worst SDI in the universe.
I hate this book.
Can the Wii Fit clutch?
This is so stupid. He's gonna do it though. He's not gonna do it, but he might do it.
He could. This is definitely possible. Devin's Wii Fit is. Devin's Wii Fit isn't good. It's just really annoying. Nobody likes dealing with it.
I couldn't beat Devin's Wii Fit. I was like up like a stock in a hand.
Couldn't be me.
And I fucking lost because my Ness was ass.
Couldn't be me.
My Ness was my worst character in this event.
It clutched it out versus me though.
You are playing Steve and two characters who are not Steve, and you're like,
He's just charging smash attacks and neutral.
There's not a working though.
Devin is genuinely the worst player I've ever seen touch the sticks. But in a respectful way. I've never lost to Devin.
Hey,
not today.
not today though. That did happen.
I've lost to your Cloud. I've lost to your Cloud and your hero, but not your Luigi. Because you're terrible. Beat me with Luigi. Hey, beat me with Luigi. I don't care. I don't care.
Devin, or Eli.
Devin, I want you to know I don't care at all.
Eli, you played my Luigi in squads. Who is the better Luigi?
Your Luigi, dude. Jake's Luigi is so far ahead of yours. It's not even funny.
That's true. Listen. I started Luigi both games against Devin, and he started Luigi. I didn't take 50% on the first stock.
Pretty much.
I might.
You were using up tilt. You were doing the thing Devin should be doing.
I could, dude. I probably could beat Devin in a bracket set with Luigi.
If you do that, I will give you $20 today. If you can beat Devin in bracket with Luigi.
Can it just be a game?
No. $20. Hey, my $20 for me is a lot. Oh shit. Hold on, we gotta update this. Oh, fuck me.
All right, Peach. That's gayer.
This is the Pride Month lineup from Dole Dips. Devin.
You mean Cuban Misfire Crisis?
Yeah.
Peach is
What
a
was
character.
what was that one Hugs tweet that was like peaches to the homosexual community what Ganon is to the homophobic community? I'm just saying, Ganon players. Link, why do they get a month? The Triforce of... What type of power does he have? This is the question. Devin getting his shit rocked right now, by the way.
That's not even true. He's up a stock.
Is he? Oh, I didn't even see it.
You're already at that Peach, dude.
That was forever ago. I already checked my phone. That was forever ago. There's the up out of shield. Holy shit.
Okay.
The Hollow Bastion power-up coming out from Devin Dip.
Holy shit.
Well, I gotta swap these players.
Devin is getting fucked up though, like you said.
Oh wait, no I don't.
That's insane.
Cause I choked versus Slim. If I didn't choke versus Slim, that would be me up there.
Wii Fit's fucking gay.
His Wii Fit is gay as hell.
Wii Fit's a gay character.
Wii Fit's a gay character.
If you male Wii Fit's probably the gayest character.
You're just watching a man do yoga.
That's
Grow up. Grow up. No, dude, I just like his moveset. No, you don't. Just come to terms with yourself. You've discovered something about yourself, and that's fine. Speaking of misfires. Holy.
Yeah.
Kick. Alright, here comes Bobbert. Does this work?
I always thought it was interesting that you called robot the Japanese version and robots in English version. So like, what the fuck?
I guess. I mean, there's English words that come from Japan. People call it anime.
Is robot one of them?
No, but anime is a Japanese word that people say.
Okay, but how does that change the fact that this is just a random-ass English word?
That was a sick-ass gyro combo. Devin's lame for not letting me get the clip. Good tech. There's never been a bad tech. That wasn't just a mistech.
Like, if you were to tech in place against,
Ganon F smash.
or like, even
Here,
like,
hold up.
tech in place against, like, roller, because if you don't tech, you don't get buried, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Oh dear.
Gyro coming down. Not fast enough, though. I think Gyro should kill at 20.
It does if you make it fast enough.
I guess. Go, my son. Hold down the neutral. Untechable, you're dead. Do we see a clutch here? Clutch moment? Let's go, Nadia.
Devin's Mega Man got 2-stock by my Casino earlier today, so.
Is the cure to male loneliness thugging that shit out?
Yeah, probably.
Cool. Go!
That was.
Game 3. I need Nadia to hurry this up and win. It's already 3 p.m. and we haven't even started yet. I wonder if we could still have time for Aaron. What do you mean? That's fine. That's fine. Then go drink your goddamn Metamucil. Why do you have to wait? Why do you have to go home to do it? Go get it at your house. Just go 0-2. Hey, Devin playing Zelda just for you.
I didn't know you were chill like that, bro.
He didn't like that one.
I didn't know you were chill.
Oh! This is boys' night. The boys are getting rowdy.
Oh my god. Play the game. We need to fucking go to singles.
Sing it, Jake Fox.
What?
Want to die.
You don't get to throw night.
I saw Devin doing push-ups on my yoga ball. Devin's push-up form is bottom 5. Cuban Misfire Crisis could never roll a blunt. I'm just saying. You do. You're a weed smoker. Cuban weed crisis.
Devin looks like a weed smoker. Do you think we should stop distracting them while they're in the game?
No, it's funny.
Okay.
We're doing this new strat called "We Get Devin Addicted to Cigarettes." and then mid-bracket set, we shake him in front of him like a baby rattle. We say, "Ooh, you want some ash? You want some Nick?" Missing the up throw. I think up throw wouldn't have killed there. I think
It would have been close. Though.
connected into the. It would have connected into the funny though.
All these throws that Isabel has off the side beat fail at the same time.
Wild. I didn't know that.
It's every side B does that, or every.
Oh! Said up.
For example.
What the fuck was that?
Oh yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah, you can do that.
She's got tech.
So because like with Pokemon Trainer, for example, if you hit Flare Blitz, it's still Withdraw and Razor Leaf.
I know that. So it all counts as the same. I guess, yeah, that counts. This matchup kind of looks like hell for Luigi, I'll be honest. Everybody DI's out against Devin. When are they going to learn?
I mean, I DI in some players, but he can catch it.
I'd rather, I think it's easier for him to do up B on DI out than it is on DI in. Because, like, I'd rather get hit by a back air. Unless I'm, like, directly in the corner at high percent. In which case, he should probably just be going for NATO. But he's not going to because he's a bitch boy. And he's too scared about inconsistency. Who cares? Just play your character to be scary. That's why you're playing Luigi. I'm going to hurt you. Respectfully. You know?
Should do that. Now you will have to take this stock.
I'm gonna say, don't touch Luigi's shield right now. That's not what you want to do. Ooh. Hello, every neon.
Oh my god, please don't.
Oh my god. See there? All right. See, that's what I'm talking about.
I would have upbeat.
She DI'd out. You would have died. Oh, Big Bear. Not gonna kill. Maybe. Oh, it might. Yeah. Devin can't make it back from there. I don't know if he had a jump or not.
Robular? Oh, Rob is gonna have to go through Bayo. That's so fucked.
It's, hey, anything's possible. Trying to rip the raw side B there.
Anything is possible.
In Smad old the bed. Pretty funny.
It's the worst game ever made.
Xenoblade Chronicles 2.
That's true.
There we go. Hey, shake. Shake. We're back.
Holy shit. This is
Down throw? Up there?
All I'm saying is,
dude, how the fuck did you live that?
Xenoblade Chronicles 2 and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate are the only two games I know that have fire in the game, so
How is Sheik not
they
dead?
must both be bottom 2.
This is true. There's gotta be another game with him in it, right? Like some weird, like, mobile game or something.
That's what I was thinking, like a gacha game, but I don't know if that exists.
Yeah, Genshin Impact's probably worse than Xenoblade now that I think about it.
Oh yeah.
Because it's like Xenoblade, except it's not made by... There's no... No, never mind. No, they're both made by Japanese companies. No, wait. One of them's China.
Yeah. But it's not like...
I was gonna say... Okay. No, never mind. I was gonna say Xenoblade's made in the USA. No. We would never make something so terrible. I guess. I'd rather play League for the rest of my life than play Xenoblade Chronicles 2 for an hour, and that's for real.
That's probably... I probably agree with it.
He's dead. He's alive.
Xenoblade Chronicles 2 is the type of game where if you get caught playing that game, you just gotta, like... You just gotta...
Bro, they're so lucky I'm not the president. They're so... The U.S. is so lucky that I'm not in charge. You
Also,
want bracket? I'll give you bracket.
Also, why is Devin, like, going insane for your hangar?
Because he cooks. I've been saying this guy cooks. There you go.
Outplayed.
That's crazy. Just... He's just getting... Oh, the camera's frozen. I didn't realize. The camera's yeah, Devin's camera's frozen. Which camera is it? Which USB is it? Do I have to like?
Okay, they're going random ditto. Can we kick him off the stream setup, start singles?
After this. You got the worst. That's crazy.
This is the most fucked up thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
I've seen worse.
I have not.
Have you seen 9/11?
I was not alive during that point.
That's right, you weren't alive.
Oh my god, how old were you?
Is there any people in this basement who was alive when the towers fell?
Fucking, I don't know.
Devin got the most optimal lineup for him only. That works, yeah.
Are you gonna switch that screen back to the game?
Maybe. Oh yeah. I've just been watching it through the overlay.
I'm not gonna watch it, but the amount of white has been
yeah, that's
my
true.
eyes up.
What's going on here?
Where's Star GG Dark?
Bear. There's a plugin for Chrome you can use.
I wouldn't use it, but
There's a plugin I use. Kick. I was gonna say these are 3 characters Devin can play, and I don't know Nadia well enough to say if she can. Okay, well that was hot. Can we see another one? Oh, Captain Falcon sucks.
Captain Falcon does.
He's terrible. If you say Falcon is fake hype in 2023, you have to be put down like a dog.
Falcon is.
Try to go for the footstool on his shield.
Falcon is.
Oh my god! Get fucking smoked! That's crazy. Oh! Retaliating with the up smash. They did randoms.
Okay. Nadia DDD.
Down tilt. The Nadia DDD could go crazy, I think. The Devin Little Mac does go stupid and negative connotation.
My Little Mac clears.
What the No! The camera!
Oh my fucking god, I hate this scene. I mean, what?
Be careful, please! Oh my
Okay,
god.
he lands with an F tilt. KO punches soon. KO punches now.
It's still plugged in? I gotta plug it back in. KO punch online?
Okay. Never mind, he's just ass.
Tilt it up. Tilt it up.
He's just so bad.
He's so bad.
Okay, all you need to do is give him one.
This is a Minnesota matchup.
Minnesota.
Yeah, that works. Please be careful with the wire.
You should get one of those things.
Dude, wait, I'm brainstorming here. Can DDD inhale one of the climbers and shoot him back out at the other one?
Yeah, that's totally possible.
That sounds really funny.
It is kind of funny.
I
It's
need to
pretty
see
strong.
that.
It's pretty strong.
Kill Nana by inhaling Popo. That's the wrong way! That's the wrong way! What are you doing?
No!
What are you doing?
Oh, all you had to do was.
And now
release.
Devin wins this. Unless the Plantia. Hold up.
Okay.
Hold up, the Sopo. Can the Sopo do it? This is what dreams are made of.
That's 24. Am I going crazy?
That did do a lot. I'm surprised that hung out still. Hey, Devin, you should footstool.
Shut the fuck
Go
up.
for a footstool, buddy.
Please don't throw to the fucking footstool with Kang. Okay. Let's go!
Yeah, Piranha Plant sucks, all right.
Nadia's the best player
Congrats to
alive.
Nadia for winning Squad Strike at Howard's Revenge.
Who is Howard?
Your
dude?
prize is nothing. There's no prize for this.
Who the fuck is Howard?
He's fucking Howard.